Hi everyone, welcome to week 6. This week is a little bit lighter on the assignment front, so you'll need to read the chapter 8 in the book and then complete the quiz, which you can find down here. Chapter 8 is going to go more into specific diseases and how that has played an effect on global health and the different preventatives and um, really what we've looked at in order to combat these diseases globally as a unit. So you will need to read chapter 8, complete the quiz, and then if you have not started yet or have already started, you'll want to complete this healthcare model simulation. This is due by the end of the week, Sunday at 11:59 p.m., and it can take quite a bit of time. So it can take up to 10 hours to complete that. And do not forget to complete replies and responses to your peers. This is going to be, part of your grade, and that is something that a majority of the points that are missed on these discussion board types are through the non-responses to peers. And then finally, listen to the provided podcast and assess the source. It's about an hour and a half. There's no formal assignment, but they overview one of the major diseases from our week. And then also assessing them as a source will give you a really good, a good start for the following week. You will, in week 7 and 8, have a project that you'll have to complete that has to do with infectious diseases and communicable diseases. Okay, so you will want to review this podcast, and then this is the actual group podcast, so you can go directly to the site if you would like. Okay, so that is really week 6. Not quite so work heavy on this week, which is fine. I know you guys have all been doing a lot of work. And if you have any questions about any of the material or information or the assignments, go ahead and let me know, and we can, try to get those resolved. I would highly recommend that you reach out prior to Sunday. I do check my email, I do review all of that, but it is going to be less likely that you'll get a quicker response on the weekend. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.